Hi, my name is Gio Batista, and I'm the City of Margate Public Works Director. These are your tax dollars at work. Stormwater staff performs routine maintenance throughout the City of Margate waterway and canal systems. We ensure that the systems are clean in order to avoid pollutants from negatively impacting the ecosystem. We maintain approximately 20 miles of waterway and canal systems in the City of Margate for the benefit of the residents and visitors. Right now we're observing staff utilizing what we call a We Do unit, which is used specifically to remove debris from the canal system. Whatever the machine doesn't pick up, we have a staff member ready with a net picking up alongside to ensure that the canal is completely maintained. The pollutants that we remove from the canal system include trash, plastic bags, coconuts, palm fronds, vegetation from clippings from lawnmower companies that might be doing some lawn work, and we routinely remove them to avoid pollutants from remaining in the canal system. The removal is required as part of our National Pollutant Discharge and Elimination System, what we call NPDES. We perform this maintenance routinely and throughout the year.